ChatGPT just dropped Images 2.0 and the internet is losing it right now. Everyone is talking about how this could be even bigger than Google's Nana Banana Pro. But here's the real question nobody's asking. Can you actually use this thing to run a business? So I decided to test it head to head against two other AI image tools inside my own agency for social media content, and what I found completely changed how I think about AI image generation. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $400,000 in revenue, and we have roughly 350 active clients. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what ChatGPT Images 2.0 can do, test it side by side with Nana Banana and Claude, and show you which one actually makes sense when you're managing real clients. Let me break this down. Chapter 1, what is ChatGPT Images 2.0? All right, so let's talk about what just dropped. OpenAI just released what they're calling GPT Image 2. It's their brand new image generation model, and it's a massive upgrade from what they had before. Here's what's new. First, it can now render text inside images. That's huge because the old version couldn't spell anything right. You'd ask for a sign that says grand opening and it would spell it wrong. That problem is basically fixed now. Second, you can generate images at 2K resolution, so the quality is way better than before. Now this sounds amazing on paper, but I wanted to see how it actually performs when you need to create real social media content for a real business. Not just cool AI art, but actual graphics you'd post on Instagram for a client. So here's what I did. I picked a test business, a mobile dog grooming company called Paws and Suds Mobile Grooming, and I gave 3 tools the exact same prompt. I asked each one to create an Instagram post graphic promoting a spring special with 20% off the first grooming session, include the business name, a call to action, and a golden retriever. Same prompt, 3 different tools. Let's see what happened. Chapter 2, the head-to-head test. All right, so I went to GPT first, and here's an important tip. You don't just type your prompt into the regular chat. You need to click create an image first so it knows you want image generation mode. Once I did that, I pasted in my prompt and hit enter. And I'm not gonna lie, the result was impressive. One prompt in ChatGPT gave me a fully designed Instagram graphic. It had the business name Paws and Suds Mobile Grooming at the top, a beautiful golden retriever with a little bandana, a mobile grooming van in the background, and spring flowers everywhere. And an upcoming spring special 20% off your first grooming session in big text. Plus the image quality was really high. Like this actually looks like something a graphic designer would create. So ChatGPT Images 2.0 absolutely delivered on a single graphic. No question. But let's see how the other tools did with the exact same prompt. I went to Google Flow next. Google has this tool called Nana Banana Pro inside, so I pasted the exact same prompt and hit generate. It gave me a complete Instagram graphic with the business name, the spring special offer, a golden retriever illustration, a book now button, bright spring colors, but not quite ready to post since it seems to be a mock-up. Also, it has a different style. Google Flow went with more of an illustrated look, while ChatGPT went with a photorealistic style. Both solid results. So at this point, I'm thinking, all right, both of these tools can make a nice graphic. But here's where things get really interesting. Let me show you what happened when I tested this with Claude inside my CRM. Chapter 3, Ask AI changes the game. All right, so we use a CRM called High Level to manage all the clients at our social media marketing agency. I'm about to show you some game-changing stuff, and at any point, if you want to test it out for yourself, then consider using my link in the description below to get access to a free trial and my free course. So this is what I did. I went to my High Level sub account for this demo business and opened Ask AI. For those that don't know, Ask AI is High Level's built-in AI assistant powered by Claude, and I pasted the exact same prompt. Here's what blew my mind. Before it even generated the image, Ask AI automatically pulled up the brand board for this business. It read the brand colors, the fonts, everything. It knew all of this because that information already lived inside High Level. Then it generated the graphic, one prompt, a complete Instagram post with Paws and Suds Mobile Grooming across the top, a spring special banner, 20% off your first grooming session in big text, and a book now call to action at the bottom. Now let's put all 3 side by side so you can really compare them. All 3 of these graphics are solid. You could honestly post any of them on social media right now and they'd look good. ChatGPT went photorealistic, Google Flow went illustrated, and Ask AI gave us a clean branded design. They all hold up. But Ask AI also gave me a suggested caption, hashtags, and the best posting times for this type of content, all from that single prompt. So when it comes to just making one graphic, all 3 tools get the job done. But here's what really separates Ask AI from everything else. Chapter 4, the carousel and scheduling power move. Here's where this gets crazy. After Ask AI generated that single Instagram graphic, I typed one more message. I said, now create a 5-slide carousel graphic for this business using the same branding. And Ask AI went to work. It planned out all 5 slides. Slide 1 was a cover hook that said, does your pup deserve a little luxury? Slide 2 listed all the services, full bath and blow dry, haircut and styling, and so on. Slide 3 explained why mobile grooming is better with We Come to You, no driving, no waiting rooms. Slide 4 was the spring special promotion, and slide 5 was the call to action with the phone number. 5 complete branded carousel slides, all matching the brand colors, all with consistent design, from one follow-up prompt. Now, could you do that with ChatGPT? Maybe, but you'd have to prompt each slide individually and hope they all look consistent. There's no brand board, no memory of your client's colors and fonts. You'd be copy-pasting hex codes into every single prompt. Could you do it with Google Flow? Same problems. One image at a time, no brand memory, and you'd have to manually keep the design consistent across all 5 slides. But here's the real power move. After Ask AI created those 5 carousel slides, I typed one more message. I said, now choose the best time and schedule this carousel post. And Ask AI checked my connected social accounts, recommended the best posting times for a pet business carousel. It laid out all the options and was ready to schedule it. So think about what just happened. I went from a single prompt to a complete branded Instagram graphic to a full 5-slide carousel to a scheduled post, all without leaving high level or downloading anything. Try doing that with ChatGPT. You can't. ChatGPT can make a great single image, I'll give it that. But then what? You download it, upload it to a scheduling tool, write the caption in another app, figure out when to post from some blog article. That's 4 different tools and way too many steps when you're managing real clients. This is one of the many reasons why we love using High Level at our agency. If you use my link in the description below, you'll get an extended 30-day free trial plus access to my AI Business Blueprint course as a free bonus. Now let's talk about Chapter 5, choosing your image generator tool. All right, so let me give you the honest breakdown of all 3 tools because they're all good, but they're good at different things. ChatGPT Images 2.0 is legit impressive. I'm not gonna downplay it. The image quality is probably the best out of all 3. Google Flow with Nana Banana Pro is also solid. Fast, clean results in one prompt and really gets the job done. But here's the thing. When you're running an agency with clients, you don't just need one pretty picture. You need a system. And that's where Ask AI inside High Level is on a completely different level. It's not about which tool makes the prettiest single image. It's about the workflow. Ask AI pulls your client's brand board automatically so every graphic matches their colors and fonts. It creates single graphics and full carousel sets in the same conversation. It writes captions and hashtags, and it recommends posting times based on your niche. And it can schedule the content without leaving the platform or downloading anything. And this is just one example. In the video coming up next, I show how I use Ask AI to generate over 60 images for clients in a single session. That's the kind of scale you need when you're managing hundreds of clients. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.